What is going on YouTube? Welcome back to another venture with the Bearded Bobber. I'm bearded. She's the... Oh shit, it's a different bobber. Oh man. Well, YouTube, we are in San Bernardino, and I'm on this beautiful Triumph Bonneville Bobber, the black. This thing's gorgeous. This is my first ride on it. This person doesn't know where they're going. Woo! That's cool, man. Oh, Brandon, I know why you like this thing so much. This is badass. Alright guys, well, I talked to one of the guys over at Douglas Motorsports here in San Bernardino, and they invited me to take out the Bonneville Bobber. Since I have a bobber, you know, they wanted to get my thoughts on it, and so I'm riding it. This thing is so cool. Now, you guys all know I'm an Indian guy, but I'm not dedicated to anybody. Like, at the end of the day, I love my bike. But when it comes to bobbers, Triumph nailed this shit. This thing looks badass. So fucking cool, man. This thing's got a good stock sound to it. Nice rumble. The lean feels good. Look at that, man. Oh man, that is bitching. Now we're gonna go through the ghetto here a little bit and hop back over to Douglas Motorsports. I just want to take this out for a second and see how it feels. Man, this thing is stylish. Guys, I gotta say, this thing is ridiculously fun, man. Oh, this is... I don't know how Brandon made a choice between this and the Scout Bobber. I think that's why he had other people do it for him. This tack is gorgeous. It looks great. It has a rain mode. You got your turn signals here, horn. There's some other features right here I just haven't gone through. This is my first time taking out a Triumph, you guys, and I've gone and sat on a couple, but Douglas Motorsports was super kind to sit there and chat about motorcycles with me, and you know, offer up a chance to let me feel out the bobber. So if you guys are in the market for a Triumph, man, go see Art over there, and I'm sure he's gonna point you in the right direction. They got some cool stuff going on over there, and they're working on like a hooligan style tracker bike, and they just took third place in one of the races this past weekend. You gotta love when people are doing that kind of stuff and being totally honest to you about motorcycles, and not just one brand in particular. You know, just, you can't do that kind of stuff. You can't be that close-minded, in my opinion. If you're that close-minded, you're gonna miss out on all kinds of fun. Some people watch my channel and see that I do Harley demos and don't want to watch me anymore. So I'm out here riding motorcycles. The bobber gets to be part of my adventures. Not this one. Well, now it's included, but hold on, guys. Man. Oh, dude. When you've ridden the Scout Bobber and you know the power it has, even he's like, oh, this power's gonna be different, you know, it's getting, you know, quite a bit different from your Scout. And I was like, yeah, you know, most bikes are. But it's leaving me speechless here, man. I had so much fun on the FTR the other day, and speed wise, I was like, you know, it's gonna feel cool. I know it is. Like, I've seen a lot of people like it. They make a really good bike, but the way this thing dips, I gotta be careful. I got a cop right behind me. Come on, guys. Can't see. But the way this thing dips through these shit ass roads right here in California, this is badass. Like, it moves really well. Turn signals are really fluid, you know, they shut off really easy. This is cool. Wonder how long he was behind me a second ago. Hey, I wasn't being that bad. This is a badass bike though, man. Seat's really comfortable for like that Springer seat, and I think Triumph did a good job on that. My butt feels good, and that's what you want, right? These controls in the middle give you a really nice stance, really comfortable whipping through. Man. Oh. Clutch is smooth, shift smooth. This is such a cool bike. Now, I wouldn't have my chopper style like I did to the Bobber on this, but I'll post a picture of another dude had one sitting there, and that thing was sick. That was so cool. Triumph, great job, man. Great job. And I'm 5'7", I'm fully flat foot on this bike. It looked bigger on pictures than it does in person. Oh, this speed limit's 25. So we gotta be extra careful. Plus I wanna get over. I wanna get over. Hey man, I'm gonna get over. There you go. Slow maneuvers really well. Guys, the way this motor sounds, God, I hope it comes over on the mic, because it sounds mean as hell. Ooh. Now I can't get too crazy. This bike's only got 7 miles on it. You know, we gotta be chill. This is... Can I win the lottery? Please? Because this would be going in the garage right next to the Bobber. Oh man. Come on. There we go. This is so cool. It's a dancing machine. Alright guys. Well, right here is Triumph and Douglas Motorsports. Here in San Bernardino. That bike you just heard is the hooligan race bike I was just talking about. Look at that kickstand. That's neat. That is badass. Alright guys. Let's take a look around this bike real quick. Look at that thing. If that doesn't scream old school Bobber, what does? You know? Show me something out there that's not custom made from the factory, looking like it was in World War, but at the same time is going to get you around. This thing is badass. Top notch right there. Gorgeous motorcycle. Look at those dual Brembo brakes in the front for the black. This is a cool fucking bike. If you guys are even thinking about getting a Triumph, go test ride one. If you're in the area, Douglas Motorsports. Motorcycles. I'm so used to saying motorsports, you know, it just clicks in my head before I even finish looking at the word. But you guys already know what I'm gonna say. Stay safe, stay classy, and you already know this Bonneville Bobber is staying classy.